Okay.
Hello, are you Dragon?
Hello, is this Chinese restaurant?
Yes.
Can I place an order? I'll come collect.
Okay.
Can I please get 3 sweet and sour pork?
3 sweet and sour pork. My sweet and sour pork is a crispy one in the hot box.
Okay, can I have 4 chicken chow mein?
4 chicken chow mein. I don't have... You want a spring or something?
Spring roll.
Yes.
10 veg spring roll.
10 vegetable spring roll, okay?
10 chicken spring roll.
10 chicken spring roll, okay?
Give me 5 beef chop suey.
Beef chop suey, okay?
Chicken cashew nut.
Yes. How many you want?
8.
8
Yeah.
chicken cashew nuts.
Okay, cool. I'll call you back, okay?
Okay, thank
you.
you.
Okay, bye. Now I call a random Indian restaurant.
Banjara, good evening.
Sorry, can you hold on 1 second? I'm just going to transfer you to my office.
Yes, fine.
Okay, I'm transferring now.
Okay.
And then I'll place my order, okay? Now I call that Chinese restaurant back.
Hello, are you phoning me back?
Yeah, can you just repeat my order, please?
3 sweet and sour pork. 5 beef chop suey. 4 chicken chow mein. You hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
10 vegetable spring roll.
Sorry?
10 vegetable spring roll.
Vegetable?
Yes, spring roll.
Spring roll?
Yes.
We don't have vegetable spring
You
roll.
order 10 vegetable spring roll, 10 chicken spring roll.
Samosas?
Yes.
How many?
And,
There are 4 samosas in one portion.
hello?
Hello?
Yes?
What is the order, sir?
3 sweet and sour pork. 5 beef chop suey. 4 chicken chow mein.
4 chicken samosas.
No samosa, chow mein.
We don't have a khamer.
Yes.
We don't have.
Sorry?
What are you asking for, sir?
Chow mein.
Chicken chow mein?
Yes.
No. That's an Indian restaurant. We don't serve chicken chow mein. You want chicken? What chicken? We have chicken curry, chicken vindaloo, chicken palak.
Chicken window.
Yes.
No, I don't have this. Burn my bum. I never hear this one. I'm working for Chinese restaurant 20 years. I never hear this stuff.
Chicken jalfrezi, chicken makhni, chicken bhuna, chicken tikka masala, chicken badami,
No, I don't have
chicken
this.
korma, chicken madras.
Chicken coma. Yes. Don't have chicken coma. I'm the Chinese, Chicken chop suey, sweet and sour chicken. No, I don't have with cashew nuts. Chicken with oyster sauce.
No, we don't have. What I can say you, sir, it's an Indian restaurant. We don't serve anything like Chinese. In a Chinese restaurant, you can get.
I'm the Chinese shop, Chinese restaurant. Hey, you order, don't want the Chinese.
What you want? What is the order, sir?
No, you order from me. No, I order from you.
No.
Sorry?
You order from me.
You order? I order you.
Yes.
From where are you calling?
You phone me. No, I phone you. Where you from?
Banjara restaurant.
No, this is wrong number.
Hello? Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's a classic.